Hello folks, welcome to my website, topekaknives.com. I got a cool knife here to show you from Premier Edge. It is a chain knife. As you can see, it has chain wrapped all the way around the knife, even on the back side. Really kind of cool. There's even a chain on the upper edge of the blade, which I'll show you here in just a minute. It's a liner lock, and it is spring assisted, and it's quick. But there's the chain links on top of the blade, which that's pretty cool. The knife is 8 inches overall, and the blade is 440 stainless steel, which is 3.5 inches long, and the handle's 4.5 inches long. It's made of aluminum, or aluminum frame anyway. Has a pocket clip. Open her up one more time here for you. Pretty fast. The blade don't have no wobble in it. It's a pretty solid knife. But anyway, well, I appreciate you watching my video, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.